So you own a website and an email has been assigned to you, but you don't know how to access it. So this is one way to access your website email. Alright, so without further talking, let's jump into this lecture and get started. Website emails are special emails that allows you to own an email in your website name. Alright, so if you have a website, usually there is always an email attached to your website. So there are different ways to log into your website emails. Alright, so you can even create your own emails. That is if you have what is called the cPanel details. And if you don't have the cPanel details, well, there are other ways to do that. So I'm going to be taking you through all of that today. So the first thing you want to do is to type in your web address /cPanel. So this is the first one I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to go through the cPanel. So type your web address /cPanel and hit the enter key on your keyboard. So once you do that, it takes you to your cPanel front page. You put in your username and your password. Alright, so once you do that, it's going to basically take you to the cPanel. So you click on email accounts, and then you will see all the email accounts that is associated with your website. So you click on the first one. You can use the check mail to check your mail, but we are going to manage for now. We want to check the password, so you can change your password, the password of your email address from your cPanel. So just scroll down, click on you type in the password on the update password. Make sure your password is strong. You use caps lock, you use symbols and numbers to strengthen your password. After you've done that, you can click on the I button there to check, and then you scroll down and update your password. Make sure you check the unlimited so you don't have any issues. So you don't have any issues. So you update your password and then you're good to go. Alright, so you've changed your password, so you can from there go to the cPanel again, and then the email accounts, and then you can click on check mail. So that takes you straight to the mail center. Now because you're opening it for the first time, this is what you would see, and then you can click on open by default, and then you click on open. But first I want us to check something here. It's called auto response. Alright, let's check on auto response. You can create your auto response here. I've already created one, but I'm going to delete it, and then we'll create another one. Alright, so I'm deleting the auto response just to create another one. Okay, so I've deleted the auto response, and I'm going to create another auto response. So I'll click on back, and then I'll click on add auto response or create auto response. So you can see the email address that the auto response will be working for. So you can type the sender, and then you put the necessary details there. That should be the subject. And then you type the body of the response that you want to give. So after doing that, you just need to save it and So you scroll down and click on that button, and then it is saved. So you have your auto response. So anytime you receive a message on this email, then the sender is going to get an auto response. Even if the email was filled from your website, the sender would get an auto response immediately. So that's the good thing about auto response. So you have the email empty right now. So I'm going to my Gmail to send an email to that to send a mail to that email address. So let's see what happens after then. So I'm sending a mail to that email address, right? So once I send a mail from my Gmail automatically gets an auto response stating, so you can see the email is in there. So as soon as I get that email, then my Gmail also gets an auto response stating that, we've received your email, thank you for mailing us. So that only helps your users to feel like, okay, these guys are responding, they are always online, things like that. So you can see my Gmail also received an auto response from my webmail. So you can also configure this auto response to to be more profound, to sound, to look good, to look better, by just using some good composed word. So that's how to use your cPanel to open your email and to check your email. So the next one I'll be showing you guys is how to use your webmail. So I'm going to be taking you through through these two processes. The first one we just did is the cPanel method, while the next one is going to be the webmail method. So I'm going to show you that in a second. So the next one, like I said, is gonna be the webmail method. So what you need to do is just type your website address / this time not cPanel, but this time it's going to be /webmail. So you have that, and then you have /webmail. All right. So so it's going to take you to, instead of cPanel, it's going to take you to webmail. Alright, so all you need to do is just put in your email address. Alright, put in your email address and then the password. Then you click on login. So that takes you to your email straight up. So this is the fastest way to get into your email address. But someone might say, okay, I still want to do my auto response. All right, so I don't have access to my cPanel, but I want the auto response. So what you can do is you can click on the cPanel icon right there. That's where you have the CP by your right hand side, and then it will still bring you to this interface where you can easily create an auto response. Alright, so that's how to go about it. You just create an auto response. It's going to follow the same process like we did the other time. You can see the one I created, so I might just want to delete it and then quickly do another one. So that's how it works. All right, so that's how you log into your webmail from the cPanel and from your webmail address. So in case you don't have access to your cPanel, maybe your web host, your website designer, sometimes they can just get some other website alongside the website, so you might not have access to the cPanel. This is another way by which you can manage your webmail. Alright, so you can always create auto response from your website email. Alright, so I'll see you in the next tutorial. In case you have any other question regarding webmail, cPanel, website design and all of that, just drop a comment in the comment section below, and I will do another video to explain whatever confusion you have or whatever you want to whatever new skill you want to learn. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share this video, and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.